All right, welcome to Airbnb Mouse Attack. Here we are. Let's select our Airbnb. I'm going to choose this charming studio in Queens, and let's go. So, despite our hope of having a pleasant stay, our place is infested with mice. The only way to get our money back is to take enough pictures of the mice to send them to Airbnb before we check out. So, let's go. Let's get these guys. As you can see, there's a countdown for the amount of time we have left and the number of pictures taken. All right, our stay is over. We're going to send our pictures to Airbnb. We took 11 pictures and we got our stay refunded. We win. And here we can, if we wanted to, book again. See Mickey Mouse run across the screen. And there we are. So here's my code for this project. Here's the HTML where we're defining the different parts of the pages that we go through. So the beginning, the instructions, the game board, and the end. And here's where I'm declaring all my CSS with the flexbox, the different classes in order to hide and show the mice and the different parts of the pages. But let's get to the good stuff. Except for this here, this animation using a keyframe gets Mickey Mouse running across that page. So here we have our initial declarations, and we're going to go through this toggle to transition between the instructions, the preview, the game board, and then that win-lose page. So here we have these functions being declared, and we'll initialize those later based on event listeners that are enacted via a click. So here we go, Airbnb. So here are the two functions that we use to show the different backgrounds. So when you click on one of the cards, it'll change the style of the background to be that alternative background image. And then here we have the toggle for the mice. So we're using the set interval function to toggle its hidden class every certain number of seconds. Here we have the game initialization, so we call all those mice to begin toggling, and then we have our timeout function which ends the game. And then using this play method, we're able to play a click using event listener for every single mouse that's clicked on. Here we're calling them for each event and counting each click, so using the click count plus plus and returning that click count. And then using our game win logic, we have the if click count is less than 10, you lose, and if it's greater than 11, you win. So using if else statement, and then lastly we have this as the timeout using a timer function that is used by set interval and minusing from 10 each second, and that point when it's at 0 ends the game, and then we can reload the game here using the location.reload window.location.reload. And that's initialized by this restart game button. Thank you.